I got a question for y'all. Who do we blame when a 14-year-old takes an AR-15 and blows off a woman's head? Who do we blame when a child is impregnated by a school teacher? Who do we blame when children are the ones breaking into your homes, stealing your vehicles and your property? Who do we blame for that? Who's really at fault for all of that? Because it doesn't really seem like it's registering to anyone or anyone cares. I'm just curious. There's no there's no way in the world you're going to convince me that at the age of 14 you weren't influenced by an adult at some point. How does a 14-year-old get his hands on a AR-15? How does a 14-year-old get his hands on a vehicle and even end up in this position in the first place if an adult didn't have something to do with this? Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just tripping though.